Well, in addition to being able to yawn and suck his or her thumb, babies at 15 weeks also the heart has beat now 15 million times. It is hard to argue when you look at that that is not a human being that deserves to be protected. The Supreme Court reached far outside the Constitution when it enacted a new abortion regime for the entire country. Prior to that, the states, as has already been pointed out, have the prerogative through elected officials to make determinations, and we believe that that's where this needs to go back to. We need to have a court, and hopefully the Supreme Court will be the one with the Dobbs case, that once and for all rights a very serious wrong. And the 1973 decision was wrongly decided, and as has been pointed out, the decision, if it is overturned, does not eliminate abortion. It simply returns that to the states. Now, the United States, as has already been pointed out as well, is really an outlier when it comes to how we treat unborn babies. There are only 7 countries in the world where elective abortions are allowed. I should say 7 countries in the world, including China and North Korea, and the United States is among those, where abortions are allowed beyond 20 weeks. And there are 47 out of 50 European nations where today you either need a rationale or reason to have an abortion, or elective abortions are banned at 15 weeks. 47 out of 50 European nations. And when it comes to the 20-week threshold in the United States, as I said, is one of only 7 countries in the world that allows abortions beyond that point. It's not the company you want to be in when you're talking about China and North Korea. We can do better. We must do better. And I hope this court, through the arguments that they're going to hear tomorrow, the deliberations that they'll enter into, and the decision they'll ultimately come to, will once and for all correct this wrong and allow these decisions to be made by the elected representatives of the people in the states across this country.